Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Patch of Land for Land Investing Basics, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Look for the sign up option, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. Provide your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password to ensure the security of your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the required field. Review any terms and conditions to comply with their policy. Once you have agreed, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation link from Patch of Land. Open the email and click the link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Patch of Land website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Familiarize yourself with the user dashboard and available features. Navigate to the Land Investments section to explore available opportunities. Take advantage of any educational resources offered on the platform. Complete your profile by adding necessary personal information. This may include your financial information to comply with regulatory requirements. Once your profile is complete, start browsing potential investment projects. Filter projects by location, type, or investment size according to your preferences. Review each listing carefully for details on investment terms and potential returns. If you find a project that interests you, click on it for more information. Consider the risks involved before making any investment decisions. Once ready, select the investment amount you wish to commit. Follow prompts to finalize your investment in the selected project. Keep track of your investments through the dashboard for ongoing updates. Continue to enhance your knowledge of land investing through webinars and resources provided by Patch of Land. Stay informed on market trends and updates to make informed decisions. Engage with the community through forums or discussion boards if available. This process will help you get started on your journey in land investing with Patch of Land. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.